What a great day at the Wheel Life Rally. Racing's all done. I raced okay. I had some flubs, but that's what racing's all about. So what I'm gonna do now is just show you what the Woods track looks like. We're just gonna do a nice, easy lap around. Cobra puts on a really great event. Shout out to him, Showtime, Seth Johnson, Willie Brady, Declan, everybody that came, Ruben, everybody, Wilson. So that's what we're gonna do. We are going to do a quick POV of the Woods track. So here we go. That's it. There you have it. That was the Woods track at the Wheel Life Rally 2025. Great event. If you didn't make it this year, make sure you make it next year. Peace out. Remember to get out and ride.